Alright, welcome back to the third episode of our thing. I'm not really sure what to call it. What are we gonna do? We're going to I think we got kind of an interesting mission today. We're launching a Constellation of Satellites. We have one big satellite and we're gonna put a whole bunch of small ones on. Yeah, we probably really don't need this many satellites, honestly, but yeah, why not, you know? Especially around like the same area of low Kerbin orbit. Like they're all gonna be within they're just gonna move in the cluster with each other, I think. Yeah, I did not think this one through, but you know, we have to launch up a satellite for the contract, so might as well. I mean, what we really need is just science, so we can do a one landing. But we should have tipped over earlier. We're going way too fast. We should definitely get to orbit. Yeah. I don't know. I think it's cool to see this type of thing. A constellation of satellites. Guess you don't really get to see this Kerbin too often. Typically, you don't really need constellations of relays, or especially in low Kerbin orbit. You know, when you're so close to home that as long as you have like a few out of Minimus's sphere of influence, it tends to work out pretty well. Yeah, but we'll just do this. Yeah, I know this is kind of. I guess we'll stop it because if I know it's inefficient. It's time efficient though. Oh, we still forgot to put a reaction wheel on this thing. We just need to do that already. I don't know why we're not. Yeah, so basically we need to wrap up just to be about there. Yep, so that's kind of the plan. Okay, there, and then should be roughly the same orbit, right? Yeah, that's basically it. Close enough. 36. Okay, so here's what we'll do. We'll get to this orbit and then deploy this satellite. And that's kind of like that's the customer sat. And then we'll do our own satellites after that. And like we'll go further out, and they'll be everywhere. We'll send them past Minimus, etc. Just hold prograde if you can. Here, since we'll just couple this guy and give him some. Let's get that up for enough power. We are in the orbit. And then let's see, last night frequency with 32.5. What does that mean? Streams connect satellites customer. How do you do this? An editor? Okay. We put one of these things on. Start to link it. Hope that was a mistake. Set module type in editor to 1. I think we're at 1. I think this works. Just extend that. Give me a creation core, right? Yeah. This is like a TV set or something. Let's just time warp and see what happens. It's the... I got to the orbit. Should be able to get line of sight with KSC soon. Yep. There, that's one more over. 32. What does that mean, 32.5? That means like I have line of sight with the KSC. I don't know. Kind of ready to call on a bus, honestly. Let's just name this TV set. So we know it's the stupid one. Where's the antenna? There, controller. Yep. We got the TV up. Oh, nope. Don't want to work there. Oh, that's awesome. Logic. Alright, now comes the fun part. So basically the way it works is we'll just be able to pew, 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 and then hopefully the engine gimbal should keep us secure. And these all have solar panels, yes, so they're good. I should rename this ship. Should rename it to Constellation. That'd be like Constellation Relay, you know. So, for example, let's deploy one right now. See what happens. There you go. What's this guy's name? It's Constellation Relay. Vessel. Yes, great. That's exactly what we want. And they're kind of staged to be symmetric, basically. But yeah. Let's get it out so that way it doesn't. And then that one was didn't really play too well. Don't hit the thing. Don't hit the panel. Don't hit the solar panel. Good. And then let's go normal. See if we can get some in a different direction. Actually, it makes more sense to kind of go normal out there, doesn't it? Good. And deploy. Now let's go prograde. Maybe another one kind of in interlunar orbit. That way the Mun doesn't interfere with it and break all the sets. There you go. Number 2 now. I don't know. Past Minmus, I guess. Oh, I forgot we're on the other side, so now we gotta go over here. Alright, I should see what type of coverage that is. So eventually these will kind of spread out more. Ooh, we need one in far orbit. Or not far orbit, what's it called? Oh, we're past the apoapsis. It's hard to know which one you are. I guess we should know that. They all go to us, so. How much? We got 2 left. Let's get that periapsis above Minmus orbit. Let's go interstellar, I guess, or interplanetary. Let's just burn the engine out. So this is going to put us in near Eve. It can go lower than Eve. It can go Moho, maybe. I don't know. Moho is hard to get to, surprisingly. You would think it'd be easy to get to, but it's not. It's actually quite difficult. Annoying. It's hard to see Mercury, too. Kind of surprised I discovered it, because the only time you can really see it is like right near sunset, you know, or sunrise. It's not very big. Y'all know. You probably don't. So yeah, this is kind of the constellation, I guess. You have a near Moho object. Amazing if you got an intersection. I doubt it could, but you know. Alright, let's rename this what it is. Trash. Destroy innate. Spent stage. You, my friend, are going to go all the way to the. I mean, probably should keep it. Go all the way to Moho. You'll be the first thing to leave the curb and sphere of influence. Let's go down to current sphere of influence again. Yep, so that's our constellation of satellites. Or 16 of them, I guess. Or no, not 16, 8. Yeah. I don't know, that should give us pretty good coverage for missions and stuff in the inter-lunar system. This guy's gonna lose connection pretty fast. See, yeah, already, 100%. That's not gonna last long. That's the world first. Yep. Gives us some science, money. Alright, well, thank you all for watching.